wonder what letter comes after M. And I think we're figuring out why they called it N. So this is really, if we think about the world in terms of BMW's strategy, this is an M-ification of a car. So it's not an X5 M40i, it's an X5 M. Sorted by 0.6 of an inch. Feeling like you're driving in this car rather than on it, which you do in most SUVs.
Yep.
That's a huge difference. Then they of course did the body kit. So the car is 3 inches longer than a regular Ioniq 5, but that's all just due to the front spoiler and the diffuser at the back, which is kind of amazing.
Oh yeah,
Hyundai,
it looks
that's
awesome.
electric. And then it's 1.5 inches wide.
I've built a bunch of Raspberry Pi NASs, from a little tiny all SSD NAS to the biggest one on Earth, the Petabyte Pi project. But the Pi 4 and computer Module 4 were just barely adequate. I could never get even 100 megabytes per second over the network,